Tumi to maribe jare, tāre rākhite pāre, tava icchā-baśa tribhuvan, brahmā-ādi deva-gan, dāsa aganan, tava pālan. Tava icchā-mate jato, graha-gan abhirato, shubha phal kare dan. Roga-śoka-mr ti-bhoy, tava icchā-mate hoy, tava agya-shadda-balaban. Tava-bhoy bayu-boy, chandra-surya samuday, swa-swa niyamita kaja kare. Tumi to para-brahma, para-brahma para-brahma, tava dāsa bhakata-antare, tava-āśa bhakata-antare. Sadā-śuddha siddha-kāma, bhakata-vatsala nam, bhakata-janera nitya-swāmī. Tumi to rakhite jāre, tāre maribe pāre, shakal bidhi Tumi. Tomara charane nath, koriyache pranipat, bhakati vinoda tava vipada hoite shami, abhasha tāre Tumi, rakhite tāre bishash. I'll just give a quick translation of this song, sung by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur from his collection known as Sharanagati, under the heading of Abhasha Rakhite Krishna. Krishna will certainly protect us. So Bhaktivinoda singing to Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Tumi who you want to kill, no one can protect them. The whole three worlds are under your control. The demigods beginning with Brahma, they're all your servants, uncountable servants. Kore tava aga pālan, and they carry out your order. According to your desire, the grahas, which roughly means planets, but it also has astrological, as well as astronomical, has astrological connotations. So the planets ceaselessly mete out the auspicious and inauspicious results of people's activities. Disease, lamentation, distress, death, fear, people experience these according to your desire, because your order is always very powerful. The wind blows out of fear of you. The moon, the sun, and all other luminaries, they stick to their specified tasks. You are the supreme controller, the supreme reality, para-brahma. beyond all else. Yet, and this is coming to the point of the song that I want to emphasize, your residence is within the devotees, within the heart of the devotees, you could say. Your actual, because it's saying, oh, yeah, this is your order, but according to your desire, the planets move and all this. But your perfect and your always your real, your purest desire is reflected in the name bhakata-vatsala, one who is affectionate like a protector to the devotees. You are the eternal master of the devotees. So he's the eternal master of everyone, but particularly the devotees. Who you want to protect, who can they kill? Who can kill someone who you want to protect? There is fate which is meted out, but you, by the order of fate, we meet our fate, but you are the vidhi. You order, you are the control and the controller of fate. Many of these terms, like vidhi, we can translate into English, but we can give a rough translation, but there's so much understanding behind them which doesn't come across in English because the English language has never had that culture. So, Master, oh Master, at your lotus feet I fall down in obeisance. Bhaktivinoda says, I am your servant. Definitely you will protect your servant. This is the faith, this is the belief of this Bhaktivinoda.